I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel with another interesting topic, and this is falling under radioactivity, to be specific, half-life. We are going to discuss through some important questions that you find in your exams. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe so that each time I upload a new content, you get to be notified. So this is the first question that we are going to start with. The question is saying there are 1 kg of strontium, which is SR, that has half-life of 30 years. So there is a keyword here, which is half-life. So after this, some questions, they will tell you to say, what is half-life? How can you define half-life? So to give you a background on this, half-life is time taken for any radioactive substance to decay by half of its present material. So the time taken for any radioactive substance to decay by half of its present material, that's what we call half-life. And half-life is measured in years. It can be measured in years. Half-life is measured in minutes. Half-life is measured in seconds. Half-life is measured in days. Half-life is measured in weeks. But mostly, half-life is measured in years. That's why most questions that you are going to see, the half-life will be given in years. So we are having this wonderful question which is here, which is saying how many grams of strontium, this is strontium, which is SR, are remained after 60 years. How many grams? So as you can see here, they are talking about grams, but what we are given in the question are what? Kilograms. So what we are going to do is this. We say, this is what I'm going to say. I'm going to put a table that is going to help me answer this question. So this is how we answer this question. So on top here, you put time, the time which is there. The time is in what? Is in years. You do that. Then here you put what? This is the mass. You say mass. Mass which is in what? You're going to say grams. Because the question here, what you are told is what? What you are told is grams. So you can put grams there. This is how you need to do. So what is the time? The time here you say 0 here. So it is that's 0. Then what is the present mass? The mass which is there. The mass is 1 kg. Now 1 kg, here we are talking about grams. So 1 kg, whenever you are talking about 1 kg, in grams, that's what? That's 1000 grams. 1 kg is equivalent to 1000 grams. So here I'm going to put 1000 grams. So I won't put grams because I've indicated there. After I do this, so after a period of 30 years, that period there, 30 years, after a period of 30 years, this mass would decay by half. After 30 years, it would decay. So when the time is 30, this one would decay by half. So half of 1000, it's what? 500. This is what I'm going to have. Like this. Then after another 30 years, so I'm having 30. If I add another 30, I get what? I get 60 there. So this one would decay by half. I'm going to have what? 250. Then I move another 30. So I can just be going like this. I can just be going. Another 30. This one will be what? This one will be 90. Then half of 250 is what? 125. I can just be going if I want. Another 30. It will be 120. That is the half-life. So there I'll be adding 30, 30. Then this one down, it will be decaying by the half, by half. So by half, 1000, half of 1000 is 500. Half of 500 is 250. Half of 250 it's 125. Now what is half of 125? So you find half of 125. So half of 125, you say 125 divide 2. What answer are you getting? You're getting 62.5. These are grams. So once you put this table will really help you answer your question. So let's read the question again. What's the question saying? The question is saying, how many grams of strontium, this is SR, are remained after 60 years? After 60 years. Where is our 60 years? 60 years is here. This is where 60 years is here. So I check what is the after 60 what? After 60 years. So how many grams will remain after 60 years? So after 60 years, what I'm going to have will be what? After 60 years, I'm going to have this one. Have you seen? This is what I'm going to have. I'm going to have what? I'm going to have this one that is here. This is what I'm having. This is what? 250. So I say 250 what? 250 grams of that. So that's what I'm going to have. That's how you need to answer that one. Then the other question that we are having is they tell us that, which is question B. Question B. So question B is saying, so this is the same table that is going to help us answer that question. The question is, if 125 grams, so if 125 grams of strontium like this are remained like this, I'm going to do this, are remained, how long does it take? So how long does it take to decay to 125 grams? 125 grams, how long? Where is 125? 125 is here. This is where the 125 is. 125 is here. How long? 90 years. Have you seen? 90 what? 90 years. So you put your answer there. What is your answer? Your answer, just say 90 years. This is how we get to answer those questions. Have you seen this? The way in which I've answered this. This is how we need to answer it. And these are procedures that you need to consider. This is what you need to know and understand. So let's make sure that we get everything here. We know all those things that we need to get. We know even what I've done here. So this is what we have discussed in this lesson. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And we do offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. You can contact me on this line. Then I'll be able to help you in your studies like this. This is what I'm going to do. So this is what the number that we need to call. Thank you so much.